Hey, health enthusiasts! Ever find yourself feeling hungry just an hour after breakfast? Well, you might not be packing enough protein into your morning meal. Let's dive into the 7 best high-protein foods that you should consider adding to your breakfast to keep you full and fueled throughout the day. First up, eggs. They're a breakfast staple for a reason. Not only are they versatile, but one large egg offers about 6 grams of high-quality protein. Whether you scramble them, fry them, or poach them, eggs are a fantastic way to start your day right. Next, let's talk about Greek yogurt. Creamy, delicious, and packed with protein, about 20 grams in a single serving. Top it with some nuts or berries for an extra nutrition boost. This is a simple yet powerful way to upgrade your breakfast game. Now, don't forget about oats. While oats themselves provide a decent amount of protein, the magic happens when you mix in some protein-rich toppings. Think almond butter, chia seeds, or hemp seeds. This combo will keep your energy levels steady. Moving on, cottage cheese. It's not just for dieters. A single cup of cottage cheese can pack up to 28 grams of protein. Add some fresh fruit or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a tasty and nutritious start to your morning. If you're looking to switch things up, why not try salmon? Yes, salmon for breakfast. It's not only for dinner. A smoked salmon toast can give you more than just omega-3 fatty acids. It's also loaded with protein to help you kickstart your day. For those who prefer a more meaty option, consider ground turkey. It can be a great addition to an omelet or breakfast burrito. Plus, it's lean, mean, and packs a protein punch that's hard to beat. Last but not least, the versatile and ever-popular tofu. This plant-based wonder can be scrambled just like eggs and offers about 20 grams of protein per serving. It's perfect for those looking for a vegetarian or vegan option. So there you have it, 7 protein-packed foods to revamp your breakfast and keep you energized all morning long. Remember, starting your day with a high-protein breakfast can help improve your blood sugar control, support heart health, and keep you satisfied longer. So, why not give these options a try tomorrow morning? Stay healthy, stay energized, and as always, keep exploring new ways to enrich your diet. Until next time, take care and eat well.